How to send out a push notification on Today. Push notifications are a powerful way to engage with customers, promote new deals, and keep your business top of mind. Follow these simple steps to send out a push notification through the Today Merchant Dashboard. Log into your Merchant Dashboard. Open the Today Business Portal and sign in with your credentials. Navigate to the Push Notifications section in the menu and choose Send New Notification. Choose your place and deal. Select whether you want the notification to link your business profile or a specific deal. Write an eye-catching title and short, engaging message that grabs attention. Keep it clear and concise. Use urgency and excitement to encourage immediate action. Hit the send button. Send the notification and watch the customers come rolling in. With today's push notifications, you can instantly reach your customers and boost your sales with just a few clicks. Start engaging your audience today.